Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting for you. We are going to show you some smile exercises that will not only make you feel great but will also enhance your facial muscles. So get ready to put a big smile on your face. Before we dive into these exercises, let's quickly talk about why it's important to exercise our facial muscles. Just like any other muscles in our body, our facial muscles also need regular exercise to stay toned and healthy. These exercises can help reduce tension, improve the blood circulation, and even combat signs of aging. Plus, who wouldn't want a radiant smile? Smile exercise number 1, the cheek lifter. Our first exercise is called the cheek lifter. It's a simple exercise that targets the muscles in your cheeks and helps lift them up. Here's how you do it. Relax your face and take a deep breath. Smile as wide as you can, making sure to expose your teeth. Place your index fingers on the corners of your mouth, gently lifting your cheeks upwards. Hold this position for 10 seconds, feeling the stretch in your cheek muscles. Relax and repeat this exercise for 5 times. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise and don't strain your facial muscles too much. Let's move on to the next exercise. Smile exercise number 2, the lip stretch. This exercise targets the muscles around your lips and helps improve their flexibility. Here's how you do it. Relax your face and take a deep breath. Pucker your lips together as if you're about to kiss someone. Slowly stretch your lips to the left, feeling the stretch on the right side of your mouth. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then return to the center. Repeat the stretch to the right side, feeling the stretch on the left side of your mouth. Relax and repeat this exercise for 5 times. This exercise not only helps tone your lips, but also improves your overall facial symmetry. Smile exercise number 3, the jaw release. Our final exercise is called the jaw release. This exercise targets the muscles in your jaws and helps relieve tension. Here's how you do it. Relax your face and take a deep breath. Open your mouth wide as if you're yawning. Stretch your jaw as far as you comfortably can, feeling the stretch in your jaw muscles. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then slowly close your mouth. Repeat this exercise 5 times, focusing on the stretch and release of your jaw muscles. This exercise is great for those who tend to clench their jaws or experience jaw pain. It helps relax the muscles and promotes a more relaxed facial expression. And that's it for today's smile exercises. Remember, these exercises are not only beneficial for your facial muscles but also for your overall well-being. So make sure to incorporate them daily in your routine for a radiant smile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bell icon is mandatory. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips and keep smiling. Take care.